Hello guys, this is Alisa from WEITAI Hydraulic. Today we are at WEITAI Hydraulic Motor Factory and we are talking about WTM series final drive. Look at this one. This is WTM-22 final drive. It consists of a travel motor, planetary gearbox and a hydraulic valve. It perfectly applies to 13 to 16 ton excavators and can be a great replacement for your hydraulic motor. If you like our product, if you are interested in cooperation with us, please leave a message, contact our sales team and we'll be happy to assist you. Have a nice day. Bye.